Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Monopoly Go free dice rolls from Airplane Mode Glitch. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. Now, if you want to get free dice, well, in this case, in our case here, not directly, or save up on dices here, you can use what we call the airplane mode glitch inside Monopoly Go. Now, just to give some idea, this is a glitch from the name itself, so meaning the developers are actively working for a way to remove this totally from the game. But currently, if you try using it, you may want to be cautious with this one. There's a possibility of you getting banned, but in this case, how do we actually use it? Now, first things first, we need to meet a certain criteria here. Now, you need to remember a few things. Now, first is you want to remember where you are. So currently, I am in this tile here. This is my token here in the center, and you also want to remember your current multiplier. So currently, I'm using the times 20 multiplier. Now, once you have that down, well, in this case, what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and just start using in this case the airplane mode on your phone. Now, like what I said before, you need to be cautious on using this and really fast actually, because you'll notice later on you'll be seeing a specific pop-up. But yeah, let's go and just basically open up our settings. Let's go and click on airplane mode here. Wi-Fi will be turned off. So we're gonna start rolling here, and we got a 5. Let's go roll again. We got another 5. Go again. And I think we got what number is this? Like, yeah, another 5. Surprisingly, another 5, and we got a 8. So currently, you could go ahead and just start voting. So we got a 3 5s and an 8. So 5 5 5 8, and we went another way. So until you see the no interconnection, you're pretty much good to go. You can start remembering your rolls in here. Like I said, you got a 5, 5, 5, and an 8. So once we're done, let's go and just exit the screen here so it's no internet. Now you want to go ahead and press and hold on Monopoly Go, and you want to go and click on the eye icon here, or you could go and just visit your app info page. So you can also access your settings, go to apps, go and look for Monopoly Go. You should be able to see the same page in here. It's the easiest way for me to access it. But yeah, what you need to do is you want to go and click on clear data, and you want to go and click on clear all data. Now, before doing this, I would highly recommend you to connect or save your progress first. So connect your Monopoly Go account to a, let's just say, a Facebook account or a Google account, so that your progress will be saved. Again, save your account. But let's go and click on OK in here. And once you've done that, you are pretty much good to go on opening or turning off airplane mode. Let's go and just turn off airplane mode, and our internet access will be restored. Now let's go and open up Monopoly Go again, and this should basically allow us to re-log in into our account. Now, in this case, you just need to wait for a while in here, complete a few things, click on log in or play with friends. So again, just log in. Now, the great thing about this specific airplane mode option that we're doing right now is we are able to save on dices, because we can actually determine what's our best rolls. So I'll be showing later on how that specifically applies in you saving your dices. So yeah, let's go and just wait for this one, and you should be able to specify your age. Click on I agree, click on play with friends, and you should be logged in again with your Facebook through your Facebook account. But yeah, once you've logged in, you're pretty much good to go, and you'll notice that we're going to pretty much start fresh in here. So we're going to start at the very location where we started with this specific glitch. So yeah. So the great thing about this glitch is you can actually determine if you want to change, or you can actually see where you're going to land. So you can actually change how your token or how you're going to roll in here. Again, like what I said, we got a 5, 5, 5, and an 8, and we're pretty much starting in this section here. So yeah, let's go and just click on the go here. Again, we got a 5. So again, we got a 5 in here. Maybe we're going to get another 5. And we're going to get another 5, as you can see here now. It pretty much is still following what we rolled before, but what if we want to change the outcome? So let's just say you landed on a jail and you want to change that. Now, what you need to do here is you just need to click on the multiplier, and if you change your multiplier, this pretty much changes the outcome of your roll. So let's go and click on go. Again, we got an 8 before, and now we got another 8. So this one is like unavoidable. But yeah, typically speaking here, if you change, in some cases, there's a still huge chance here of you changing or getting a different role when you try using this specific glitch in here. And basically, it allows you to like really manage how you're going to roll. And if you got a bad roll, you could try using it again. It's not 100% of foolproof here that you will get a different dice or outcome like before, but still it's still a chance in here. But in most cases, in my experience, it does changes. It's just like right now, I think I got lucky and got another 8. But yeah, so it allows you to really like see or really change the outcome of your dices here. That's why in a way you're pretty much getting free dices and really maximizing the dices that you currently have right now. But yeah, so currently this is how you change or how you save or get free dice rolls here. Not directly, but again, you are able to save some dice rolls in here with this specific airplane mode option. Now obviously, if you want to learn more about this one, we have other videos in our channel here, so make sure to check that out. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.